We provide small-scale farmers with a network to connect with one another.
We make the world safer for children.
Our mission is to quantify the entire planet in real time.
The idea is to teach mathematics in an engaging and fun way.
Our mission is imagining a world free of heart disease and stroke.
Technology is bigger than us. The only thing that you can do is come up with the best ways to utilize it. Take technology and use it as an agent that encourages creativity, curiosity, and empowerment.
It makes you ask yourself a lot of questions.
The challenge is what technology can help me search for that child.
How do we use technology for big data, for autonomy, and put it at the service of the planet? So this is not a small challenge.
We want to teach them to fall in love with mathematics, and we do it in the way of computer games. AWS is a central component in our backbone. If you want to expand in a scaled way, you cannot do it without technology. You cannot do it without the cloud.
What is the innovation when you think about the role that technology could play? One of the mechanisms that we're creating that we're excited about is our Community Innovation Exchange. It's a technology-facing platform that will be the repository of all the great solutions that are going on around these communities, the gateway into identifying what other great people are doing, how they did it, and how you too can do it yourself.
Every second matters when a child goes missing. We want to give law enforcement tools to be able to help search for the missing child. You upload a picture of the child, facial recognition starts running. We use AWS's recognition instantaneously within 30 seconds. They get that result. Here's a match that could generate a new lead for the police to actually find out where it's come from. That could be the dark web, that could be to Instagram, to Flickr, wherever.
Right now, it's estimated there are over 1 billion smallholder farmers across the world. These small-scale farmers contribute upwards of 70% of the food that the world consumes, 90% of whom don't have access to an internet connection. We're using technology that farmers have easy access to, SMS. With the peer-to-peer model, when a farmer is seeking advice, a lot of custom algorithms and machine learning had to be created to make sure that they're talking with the right farmer who has a very similar reality to them so that they're providing the right information to assist them.
Oceans really drive key planetary systems that affect us on land. Imagine a sailboat covered with solar panels and has no engine. It relies purely on wind power for propulsion. The types of sensors that we have on the sail drone is pressure sensors for barometric pressure, air temperature, carbon dioxide, and a telecommunication link back through satellite that streams real-time data back to shore. So for example, our Antarctic circumnavigation. It had never been done before. We sail around Antarctica in 196 days with 3 vehicles and release the data 20 days after the mission was over. Anyone can download the scientific data and immediately start integrating it to get some insight. What we are doing today could not have happened even 10 years ago. So for us, AWS was a natural partner in trying to get a quick start around both the storage and the compute infrastructure in a way that can scale literally planetary-wide.
Technology is the agent of change. We want to make a revolution in teaching mathematics worldwide.
I think technology can play an amazing part in creating a more inclusive environment for those in the communities in the United States and around the world. Equitable health and well-being for all people. That's enough to get excited about, and that's why I'm excited about the future.
We do this ultimately for the benefit of humanity. How do we use the technology that we have developed and put it at the service of the planet? We want to stay here and we want to make it better.
Having a child smile is 1,000 words, 1,000,000 words that can't describe it. And that's the best day when I get those calls going, hey, we just found a child.
So I do think that there's a place for technology in the future. We just need to remember to be human about it.